So now we are going to shoot a really dramatic portrait using different colored gels in front of a very plain background. So right now I just have basically a black garage door, which as you can see in the camera here is extremely plain and ordinary. I'm going to have on one camera stand one light that has a grill on it, and that's the key light. And the reason why we have a grill is because we want the light to come out in pretty much a cylindrical cone, and the grill helps you achieve that. We want it to come out in a cylindrical cone to make sure that we light only the mask of the face and not the wall. If we light the wall, then we're going to lose the color that we're adding by using that. So there's a second light that's lower behind the model with different colored color inserts, and we'll show you what that looks like. Now the camera is going to be, as always, manual with manual ISO. That way I have the infinite creativity of being able to block off any of the available light. If we can subtract available light, then the only thing that we have remaining is the light that we're going to add by use of my speed lights and modifiers. So what we have right here, as you can see down on my screen, we're at ISO 100, 1/500th of a second at f1.4. We're just playing around with these things. When you're on your shoot, just play with the shutter speed and aperture. I've got this gorgeous f1.4 50mm lens, so I'm going to use that. Let me just do one regular available so that everyone knows what that looks like. Turn the flash off. Perfect. And now, let's go in and change the colors. And this is so simple. We just slide this into the slot there, just like that, and it's in. So the first one that's in there now is amber, and that's what amber looks like. Okay, so now we're going to put in green, and there's green, and now let's try blue. Okay, and here's blue. And finally, let's add in the red color insert. And there's red. So now let's take a look at what we have. We've got red, blue, green, and amber, all within seconds of each other and giving you a really dramatic look. Now by changing the placement of that color wall flash, you can have spotlight halo effect or turn the entire wall in whatever color that you choose. When I'm playing with two different flash groups, especially when I'm doing color, the way to change the intensity of the color is to play with the different exposure overrides. So on this one right now on the floor, don't use this as reference because it'll change the minute that you change backgrounds or wall color or whatever. But on the floor right now, I have it overexposing to give you that rich color. And on the key light for her face, that's just on normal regular TTL.